Is your computer running so slow it feels like it's from the Stone Age? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to speed up your slow computer in just 2 minutes. No upgrades, no spending money. Just quick fixes you can do right now. Step 1. Disable startup programs. When you turn on your PC, apps like Spotify, Zoom, and Chrome may launch automatically, slowing down your boot time. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager, go to the Startup tab, and disable anything you don't need. On Mac, go to System Settings, Users and Groups, log in items and remove the unnecessary ones. Step 2. Close background apps. Things like Cloud Sync, updaters, or even hidden apps can eat RAM. On Windows, use Task Manager. Processes, tab, and right-click, End Task. On Mac, open Activity Monitor and quit the apps you don't need. Step 3. Free up storage space. If your disk is 90% full, your computer has no breathing room. On Windows, run Disk Cleanup or use Storage Sense. On Mac, click the Apple logo. About this Mac, Storage, and delete what you don't use. Step 4. Update your system. Outdated drivers and OS versions can cause performance issues. On Windows, go to Settings arrow Windows Update. On Mac, go to System Preferences. Software Update. And Step 5, the simplest but most underrated fix, restart your computer. This clears memory and shuts down background tasks, giving you a fresh start. And that's it. In just 2 minutes, your computer should already feel faster. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and let me know in the comments which step made the biggest difference for you.